you're like me and sometimes you don't want to put like a full-on multifunction knife in your pocket, this is actually a really good idea. And it's a multifunctional knife, but it's in a slim package. Let me just open it up here and show y'all exactly. I did take it out and look at it and see what all you get. You see right there, you get, you know, one of these little packages. You get the knife itself and you get a little set of instructions. And let me kind of go over all the features of this knife. Number one, the dimensions are, you know, 110 millimeters by 20 by 19 closed, and that's what it is right there. It's got a black coated finish on it that looks really good. That's why they call it the Knight. It only weighs 5 grams, so the whole thing is 5 grams. And then looking at all the functions right here, let's just open up one at a time. No, look at that. It's got centimeters and inches. So if you need to measure something real quick, you can measure something there. So you can see right there how that looks. Let's start with the main thing on this thing is the blade, and it has a locking blade on it. If you see that locking blade, let's just test this blade out, how sharp it is. That's actually pretty sharp. That's a good looking package too of the blade. You can see, and there's a big thumb like nail cut out that opens it up, and then to close it back up, you're going to close that up like that. And then on this side has one of the coolest set of scissors I've ever seen. These are actual shears. What you're going to do is open it. Once it locks into place, now it's locked in. This creates like a little spring back on it. And these things cut extremely well. I've used those way more on the Flagship Pro than I thought I would use them. Once you close it up, you're going to unlock it, close the scissors close, and then lock it back like that. Really cool. It's got a belt clip for mounting inside your pocket. I use this mostly in my pocket. And then on this side, you have a file, and it has a little spot right there for grinding away. That's really cool that it has that. That one doesn't lock, so close that one back up. And then right here is your Phillips head screwdriver, what they call a crosshead screwdriver and holder. And what that is, that's like a holder to go down in there like that. That works extremely well too. On this side, you have a can opener. And then opening this one up, you have your flathead screwdriver and your bottle top opener right there all in one. And this right here is your drill awl for drilling a hole in something right there. Those actually work way better than you think, especially if you're having to go outdoors or something. And you see this little bubble right there? You're wondering why they put that on there? Well, what that is, that's a glass breaker. If I need to shatter some glass, like use it to break glass, that's what I would use that for. That little bead right there. This thing is very sturdy, looks really good, fits really well in your hands, feels extremely premium. I love the NexTool brand. They have some of the best tools I've come across in my travels here, and I will definitely be carrying this with me camping, outdoors, you know, anytime, anything outdoors, or just right around the house. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the NexTool Knight EDC. See y'all next video.